If you're over 50 and noticing more wrinkles, there's something important you should know. It's not just about aging. It's about what your skin is missing at night. And one simple habit, just 1 spoon before bed, can help support smoother, healthier-looking skin over time. You may have tried creams, oils, even expensive treatments, but by morning, your skin still feels dry, tired, or unchanged. That's frustrating. But here's the truth. Most people don't hear. Topical. Products only work on the surface. Real skin repair happens from the inside, while you sleep. And in a moment, I'll show you exactly what that 1 spoon is, and how to use it the right way. Because timing matters more than you think. At night, your body enters repair mode. This is when your skin rebuilds collagen, repairs daily damage, and restores moisture. But after 50, this process slows down. Collagen production drops. Skin becomes thinner, drier, less elastic. That's why wrinkles become more visible. So the goal isn't to erase wrinkles overnight. The goal is to support your body's natural repair system. And that's where this simple habit comes in. Before bed, take 1 spoon of a gentle, natural blend that supports your body while you sleep. Here are 2 safe and simple options. Option 1. Yogurt and honey. Take 1 spoon of plain yogurt and add a few drops of raw honey. Yogurt contains nutrients that support skin health, and honey helps maintain moisture and calm the skin from within. Option 2. Warm milk with turmeric. A small cup of warm milk with a pinch of turmeric. This combination supports overnight repair and helps reduce internal inflammation, which can affect how your skin looks and feels. Here's why this matters. Your skin reflects what's happening inside your body. When your body is supported with the right nutrients at night, your skin can repair more effectively. This doesn't create instant miracles, but it creates visible improvement over time. Many people notice small changes first. Their skin feels softer in the morning, less dry, more comfortable. These are early signs your body is responding. Let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed your skin looks better after a good night's sleep? That's not a coincidence. That's your body repairing itself. Now imagine supporting that process every night. Here's where most people go wrong. They try something once or twice and expect fast results. But skin doesn't work like that. Consistency matters more than intensity. So here's a simple routine. Every night before bed, take your 1 spoon. Keep it simple. Keep it consistent. No need to overcomplicate. And one more thing. Hydration plays a big role. If your body is dehydrated, your skin will look more tired and wrinkled. So make sure you're drinking enough water during the day. Over a few weeks, you may notice skin feels smoother. Fine lines appear softer. Overall texture improves again, not instant, but natural and steady. And remember, this works best when combined with simple habits. Good sleep, gentle skincare, balanced diet. You don't need perfection, just consistency. Taking care of your skin isn't about looking younger overnight. It's about feeling comfortable, confident, and healthy in your own skin. So tonight, try this simple habit. 1 spoon before bed. Let your body do the work it already knows how to do. Small steps, done daily, create real change over time. Take care of yourself, and your skin will reflect it. Subscribe to my channel for more informative tips.